Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Wanderer of Faith Helm in Crimson Desert. Now currently my location on the map is right on the Silver Moon Trade House right here, right to the next of the Shadows slope. If I zoom out a little bit, you can find me just south of the Menace right here on the last S. Just go straight down from here and you'll find this little trade house. Now once you see this tower right here, go immediately to the right and just keep following this road right here until eventually you see those boats right there to the right side of you. Go right down here and right under this wall right here, use a force bomb on this one. So you can open it up, crouch down, and you should be able to enter here and find the treasure chest. And inside, you will find the Faith's Plate Helm. Here are the stats of the Plate Helm, which gives you 5 defense, a level of 3 on refinement, and stamina regeneration of 2%. And this is how the Plate Helm will look like on Damien. And that's pretty much about it on how to find the Wanderers of Faith Plate Helm in Crimson Desert.